Thank you for taking the time to learn more about TAMKO products. This is a series of videos walking you through the proper steps to install TAMKO Heritage Laminated Asphalt Shingles. Be sure to follow all safety and local code requirements. This video will demonstrate how to install shingle starters. Shingle starters are an important installation step. TAMKO pre-cut starter shingles are designed to provide a more precise start for shingle installation and alignment, help waterproof the even rake edges, and prevent blow-off. When installing TAMKO shingle starter, it is recommended roofing nails be minimum 12 gauge with 3/8 inch diameter heads. They should be long enough to penetrate 3/4 of an inch into the roof deck with the nail head flush with the shingle surface. While TAMKO recommends using shingle starters, 3-tab shingles may be used as a starter. Just remove the exposed tab portion and install with the adhesive strip adjacent to the eaves. Attach the starter strip in a line parallel to and 1.5 inches to 3 inches above the eaves edge. When installing along the rake edge, allow 3/8 to 3/4 inch overhang. Where metal flashing is used, install the starter shingles even with the drip edge, allowing no more than 3/4 inch of an overhang. Minimizing overhang helps improve the wind resistance of your system. Thanks for watching. For more TAMKO installation videos, visit tamko.com.